Puddy, you ready for your walk? It's already light out. Alright. Not yet. Puddy, come on. We gotta go.
Yeah.
Come on, Puddy. Let's go. We're going on a walk. Puddy. Come on. Hi. Here, I'll give you a little treat. Oh, okay. How about that? There's more of these if you go on a walk. Treat? She's like, if I take that, I have to go because there is a kind of an unwritten agreement. Come on, Puddy. Oh, it's nice out. Puddy, come on. We gotta go. Come on, Puddy.
Go get him.
Come on, Puddy. Let's go. I can't believe this. Most dogs would love to go on a walk right now. She just made a big sigh. You slept all night long. I know you had a good night's sleep, Puddy. Come on. Come on, let's go. Your friends are out there. Your friends are out there. All right, I guess I'll be going by myself.
Good Daddy.
I'll give you another treat. Here we go.
Go get Daddy.
Yeah, just a little good girl.
You could go on your walk.
Just a good girl. All right. All right, I'm gonna go open up the gate. Ready, Puddy? Come on. Come on. Kramer! Oh, good. So I told you that Kramer was outside. And it was kind of a lie, but guess what? There's Kramer right there. So I totally didn't lie to you. Okay. Kramer! Kramer! What's up, Kramer? Yes, I'm not a liar because you showed her. Yes, you did. Here. Here, Kramer. Whoa. Like the little monsters. All right. Kramer.